What's up, everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning in, my name's Chuck. It's Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today we are here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley in a master plan community called Southern Highlands. So today we are going to be touring this new listing here. And this property's not on the market yet, so if you watch it today, it's probably going to take a couple days. We're going to get a photographer out here and all that stuff. But this is a guard-gated community. Let me adjust the gimbal here for just a second. I don't know what is going on. Just seems like this gimbal is just not working. Here we go. A couple things here. As you can see, we have a mailbox here. The streets are nice and wide. Some gorgeous homes here. Now, this home right here, give me just a second. Oh my gosh, it is pretty hot today, guys. I don't know what is going on. So hot I can't even see my phone. Let me give you guys the description. You know, I'll give you guys the description here shortly when I get inside. I'm just literally sweating bullets. As you can see, this is a 2-story home with a 3-car garage. The price on here is $958,000. Now, at $958,000, this is the lowest price home in this neighborhood. You have other homes in here for $1 million, 1.1, 1.2. All right, so let's take a look here. We have some solar screens. This is all nicely, freshly painted. All right, let's go inside for a second. Whew. Temperature has changed. Okay, now we got a little light here. Give me just a second. Now, some of the things that you'll see here has been upgraded, like the flooring. So you can see this is a beautiful floor plan. There's so many options that you can do with this home. Now, there's a couple minor things that have not been done as far as outdated fixtures, but because of the price here, the seller understands that, hey, I'm gonna just cut back just a little bit on the price so that way you guys can do your own upgrades. However, the big ticket items are done, like the flooring here, this luxury laminate flooring. They did paint the whole house as well. And also the banister, okay? Now, this neighborhood, right down the road, well, actually right down, the road from this neighborhood, you have all the shopping, as you can see in the beginning of the video. But let me get into the square footage here and all that. And I'm trying to do a bunch of things all at one time, which is kind of hard right now. I don't have my glasses either. So the square footage on here is 3,743 square feet, okay? Property has 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, that's right. Whew. Now, I'll have the description of the property so that way you guys get more information. Like I said, this is a pocket listing for right now, but it's going to go live on the market here. But you guys will have every opportunity to view this property today. So if you guys are interested, you guys can make that purchase. Appliances are included. So you can see we have some nice white cabinets here. Take a look. Nice hand pulls. Perfect. We have the pantry. It's about that time to get a new gimbal now because this thing is not level like it used to be. You have a double stack quartz. I'm sorry, not quartz, but granite here. Whirlpool. Cook countertop. Nice hood. Let's take a look at the island here. Here we go. We have a 12 by 12 porcelain tile. Center island. We got the dishwasher. Now, again, if you guys want more information about this property, just give us a call. I'll let you know what the details are about this property. Now, this is also a pretty large lot size too as well. Let me show you here. Gives you every opportunity to actually build a pool. I mean, look how large this lot size is. Crazy large, right? Looks like they had a water fountain here at one point. So we got the 2 air conditioning units here. I'm just gonna shut this gate. Here we go. Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm gonna be a little bit more biased on this one, just due to the fact that this is my listing. And I'm telling you, this gimbal is just not as good as it used to be. So I do apologize for that. I mean, look at this thing. It's almost embarrassing in a way. Yeah, it's about that time to get a new one. Oh, you got some rose bushes here. That's nice. Exterior is fairly in good condition. All right, let's go back inside where it's nice and cool. Get another angle here. Here we go. Put a dining room table here. Love this high ceilings. One of the options that you could have done was actually put a bar here too as well. What I like about this is that you have a pretty nice suite downstairs too. So if you have like a mother-in-law or father-in-law, kids, they can actually have a room down here. And these are some pretty large rooms. Now again, I don't have like the full measurements and all that stuff because this is not on the market yet, but will be on the market. We got some pine cabinets, quartz countertops here. Tub shower combo. Okay. Let's turn off the lights as I go along here. The walk-in closet, not bad. We have half bath for the guest. We got 10-foot ceilings, 6-panel door. Here's your 3-car garage. Very large in this garage here. Love the separation. Not too sure if this is a retaining wall, which is I think it is because you got that concrete right here. So we have a new hot water heater. So, all right, back to the laundry room. Sorry about that. Gimbal just died because it's just so hot out here. So as you can see, this is a gas dryer. Okay. Looks like you have some 42 upper cabinets here. All right, we're gonna make our way back to the front. We're gonna take a look upstairs. Oh, what do we have here? Closet, not bad. Okay. You have casings around the door, which is really nice. I really think the selling feature is like really right here because this is just so grand and open. Look at this. This is just, love this. I mean, there's just like so much that you could do with this right here. All right, let's make our way upstairs. We got carpet. Looks like they painted the banister here. Nice and clean. Straight ahead through these French doors, we have the primary. And look at this. You have this nice loft style here. Let's take a look. Look at this vantage point right here. Closet, okay. Then we have the bathroom. So it looks like this one shares or this bedroom shares this bathroom here. These are some pretty large rooms here. I'm gonna say these bedrooms are 13 by 14, so they're pretty large. 10-foot ceilings too on the second floor. You don't get that anymore with a lot of these new home builds. Closet space. Now let's come back out to the loft area. Orange peel texture, 1/2 inch on the bull nose. You also got the central vac too as well. Here's the bedroom number 3. This is your ensuite. Another large bedroom. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Looks like they did the flooring. Nice hardware. Changed out the toilets too, it looks like. Clean. All right, let's go. Now let's go take a look at the primary. Yeah. Let's see what this is all about. Now on the primary should be roughly about 23 by 16. So you put your bed here. TV's gonna go there. Kind of show you the lay of the land here. Look at that. You build the pool just like that right here. And from here to the south point, right, which is the 15, takes you to the airport. Probably like less than like 20 minutes. It's close. Shopping again is like 5 minutes. Walk-in closet. Okay. Oh, you can put something out right here too. I'm not too sure what you put there. Oh, original jacuzzi. Wow, this is actually pretty good condition. Love that window too right there. Brings in a lot of light. Here's your water closet. Brand new toilet. Got the cabinet. Oh, I love that soffit right there. That's kind of cool. Something different. Then we have our walk-in shower. The bench. I mean, it's outdated, but it's clean. That's what I'm saying, like, based upon the price, let me sell you guys on this. Based upon the price, right, it gives you the option now to make the adjustments of what you want. Like, if you don't want the gold fixtures, you can get rid of the gold fixtures, right? Now, I'll be happy to, send you guys the comps and all that, so that way you guys can see that this is literally the lowest price home. The starting homes that are in this condition, believe it or not, it's about $1 million. All right, let's go turn off some of these lights here. Here we go. Guess I forgot to turn off the lights. Now, even though I turn off the lights, you have like these windows all over the place. I like the fact that it still brings in a lot of light. I think this is my favorite part of the home right here. HOAs plus the master plan is about $197. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. Do you guys see the potential? I know a lot of people from California, they'll look at this property here, and they'll compare it to California prices. This is like a $3 million home, as I was told. I don't know the California market, but let me know how true that is. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. Also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.